Dear friend, I want to share with you an important truth. Each of us has only one chance in life, and we must do everything possible to use it to its fullest potential. Every moment we waste on trivial things is a moment we can't get back. So, I want to ask you, take this step that will change your life. Don't be afraid to take risks and open up new opportunities. You can be sure that even if everything does not work out, you will learn many important lessons that will help you in the future. So don't delay, don't wait for the perfect moment, because it might not be there. Take advantage of this only chance that life gives you. Multiply your efforts, direct your energy, and you will see how your life will change for the better. Remember that the future belongs to those who take risks and are not afraid to use every moment to realize their dreams. You can be one of them if you only take a step towards change. Each of us has moments in life when we have the opportunity to do something incredible, something that will change our life forever. But often we do not realize this and miss our chance. Make the most of it. Find your purpose in life, define your goals and move towards them without stopping. Don't be afraid to take risks, don't be afraid to fail. Life is not a game where you can start over if something goes wrong. But this is also not a reason to give up on your dreams and goals. Therefore, if you have an idea, a project, or a dream, act. Take this step that will change your life. And let this change be for the better. Don't miss your chance and don't let others stop you. Remember that you are in charge of your life, and only you are responsible for your actions and results. Each of us has only one chance in life to achieve success and change our life. Let's not lose this chance. One of the most important aspects of achieving success is our ability to make decisions and take responsibility for our actions. Often people comfort themselves with the belief that at some point in the future they will be able to do something that will change their life, but this can lead to wasted time and missed opportunities. If you dream of changing your life, then you need to take a step forward. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it may never come. Instead, define your goals and start working towards them. Every step you take can bring you much more than you can possibly imagine. For example, take the step to change your workplace if your current job does not satisfy you. Start growing in a new field or learn new skills you may need. Don't be afraid to take risks and be open to new opportunities. Remember, you only have one chance to make a change in your life. Make the most of this chance. No step you take is unnecessary. Each step brings you closer to achieving your dreams. Take a step towards a new life. This step will change your life forever. So, don't wait. Act now. Take your chance, take this step and change your life forever.